Welcome to the kingdom. If you need to make an extra $200 to $1,000 every day, then this is the place that you need to be. I'm here to teach all those out there who are struggling financially. I'm trying to teach them how to get ahead. Today, I want to just share a little bit about what my plan is with YouTube. I am building a YouTube portfolio. And this is all through side hustle money. And what I mean about that, let's say you have a job and you do Uber or DoorDash on the side. That money on the side, you should not be living off of that. You should be investing that for long-term growth and long-term financial stability. You have to have stable income coming in. Use your gig money, your side hustle money, to build an extra stream of income. That's how you're going to get ahead. And I'm here to show you how to do that. I own a business. I invest in stocks. But I'm getting ready to actually buy Microsoft. And I want to show you how I'm evaluating this and just show you why I think from a chart perspective, why it's a good buy. Let me share this with you. Let me turn this light off. So what we have here is the daily chart of Microsoft. And I have these three green lines on here. This first line is the bottom trend line where this thing was falling down. You see how we came up here, we broke this bottoming. Came down here, broke this bottoming. So this line here is pretty much done with. It does not look, unless we get a huge fall, this next candle way down here, and it would follow this pattern. But as for right now, we're going to take this off. So then we come to the next line. And this is another trend line of another downturn. As you can see, it came up to the middle Bollinger Band and broke through it. But when it broke through, we had a major sell-off. That was what, 475 down to 445 roughly. So that's a 30-point move on that. Huge gap right there. Kept falling. And then it broke the line again. Broke it up here, fall, broke it here, fall. And it looks like we're getting a consolidation all in here, and that's the $400 price range. It looks to me like this $400 price range is stabilizing. It looks like it's a bottom. It looks like next week it could pop above this line and head up here again. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the next trading day to see where this candle is and see if it falls back into these two Bollinger Bands. but we're going to take that out. Now we have this line, and that's perfection right there. Breaks above that. I think we're going up. Let me show you the last thing, which to me is amazing. And this is the weekly chart. We called it right here at the 3, at this bottom right here, we called it. This was last week. All that was last week. Jumped up, huge pop. People were making a lot of money off of that. Came back down the last couple days. Now I believe it's gonna break this line and start heading up slowly but surely up to the 475s. Back up that area again, 470s. But that's a $70 move. You have a bunch of shares on $70. You made a whole lot of money. Options, you're doing phenomenal if you buy them. But we have an oversold condition down here. Now look at this. This is what I'm talking about. If we zoom this all the way out, this is the weekly. It is 2026 right now, oversold. The last time we were in an oversold position like this was all the way back here, and that's 2010. It's 2026 right now. 16 years ago, the conditions were this way. And this was roughly a $25 stock 6 years ago. And look at what it did from there. Just rode this all the way up. Look at that. All this came 16 years from $25 $25 all the way up to $550. And how we know this reversal was coming? Look at this right here. $550. This is the weekly. Look at that run. All the way to $550, pulled back, went all the way back here to $550. That is called a double top. Major reversal. And this is where we are right now. 16 years. And could this go from, that went from 25 to 550. Can this go to 400 to whatever that would equal? 2,000? Could it even do 1,000? Can Microsoft be a $1,000 company? Looks to me like it can. So Monday, I'm looking for my breaks in my line. Monday is whether I'm buying this, or there's a holiday Monday, so we have to wait until Tuesday. But we're going to see what happens. 2016 was the last time, 16 years ago, we had a major buying opportunity. And it looks to me like this one is presenting itself. Unless we get some unforeseen pandemic, it is the time for the markets to act crazy right now. It is February, March. So we can get another, let's look on the weekly. This thing can all the way come down to here. Very possible to the 295s actually. I don't know if that's going to happen right now, but it is possible. It looks to me this 400 area is bottoming. It's a nice bottom right there. Let's see what we can do. I will keep you updated on this portfolio, but I think Microsoft is going to be my first buy. And what I did is every month from my side hustle, this is not business income, this is not nothing, this is side hustle money. I have multiple streams of income. So the last 2 months, January and February, I made $1,000 each month on the side. So I put it into this portfolio. And I'm going to show you how to do this with free money to build a nice little retirement account, or just build something where you can take the money. Almost you're funding your own business. You're taking the money that you make off of this and putting it into an investment, or putting it into options where you can triple that. And I do have some option plays that I'm going to share with you. But as of right now, that's what I'm looking for in Microsoft. So, what do you guys think of that? Let me know in the comments. Like it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, come on aboard. Let me show you how we do this. Let's take this journey together. Let me teach you how to make some money in the stocks and in the business world. Until next time, I need you to get out there and create a kingdom business.